Take the bulb housing out of the vehicle. Remove the Torx bolts by turning them counterclockwise.
The steps needed to access the other side are the same as this side.
Wiggle the housing to remove it from the vehicle. Disconnect the bulb housing. Push the tab and pull the connector to remove it. Now you can replace your housing with a new one. Push the connector straight in to connect the bulb housing. Reinsert the bulb housing into the vehicle. Replace the Torx bolts by turning them clockwise.
Make sure the bulb housing is secure.